liftoff. 1,000 pounds, or 1,000 tons of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen will be pushed out of the bottom of the space shuttle. The space program has united our country many different times, from the first man in space to the first man on the moon. The space program has also created a lot of sadness throughout the years, with the Space Shuttle Challenger that blew up on January 28, 1986, and the Space Shuttle Columbia that blew up on February 1st, 2003. But that didn't stop NASA and the United States from trying to get into space. The space program started with the main idea of getting a man on the moon. But they accomplished this in 1969 when Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. They have been doing many missions for 30 years, with a total of 135 missions, from the Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and the Endeavour. The space shuttle has done many things. It has recovered and repaired satellites, conducted cutting-edge research, and has built one of the largest space-built structures, the International Space Station. With the landing of the space shuttle, or the space mission STS-135, the space program has closed. Why? The main reasons when the shuttle lands, it needs lots of inspections to make it space flight worthy, costing a lot more than expected. The shuttle also needs new designs to get farther into space. William Gerstenmaier of NASA said, "We need more of a smaller capsule that can take that heat of coming back from those larger destinations with a higher re-entry velocity." So as you can see, there aren't that many problems we need. All we need is the technology and the funding. But they have already unveiled the Orion capsule, which is the Orion capsule. So most of the technology is already there. All you would need is the funding, which really, it wouldn't be that much if you were to do a joint launch. Do a couple of different, it's not unrealistic to do a couple of different countries, considering we already have a joint space station. It would be cheaper for all the countries and easier. This would also bring all the countries involved together by working together and trying to figure out the problems.